Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Polkadot from Binance to Bitmart in 2025. If you're looking to move your Polkadot tokens between exchanges for better opportunities or security, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps in the fast-evolving crypto world. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Bitmart, and that you have some Polkadot tokens in your Binance wallet. Start by logging into your Binance account. Head over to the Wallet section, usually found in the top menu, and select Spot Wallet, or Funding Wallet, where your DOT is stored. Next, click on Withdraw, next to Polkadot. You'll need to enter the withdrawal details. Before that, hop over to your Bitmart account. Go to the Deposit section, select Polkadot, and copy the deposit address. This address is crucial. It's like a unique key, so don't mix it up with any other crypto addresses. Back on Binance, paste the Bitmart deposit address into the withdrawal form. Double-check that you're selecting the correct network. Polkadot uses its own blockchain, so ensure it matches to avoid lost funds. Enter the amount you want to send, but remember to leave enough for any network fees, which can vary based on congestion. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to verify this through email or two-factor authentication for security. After submission, the transaction will take some time, typically a few minutes to an hour, depending on the Polkadot network. Keep an eye on your Bitmart account to confirm the arrival of your tokens. A quick word of caution: crypto transfers are irreversible, so always verify addresses and amounts. Also, in 2025, exchanges might have updated interfaces or fees, so check for any platform-specific announcements. That's it, you've successfully transferred your Polkadot. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe and happy trading.